Hello everyone, it's Charlotte from Thompson Leisure and we'll have something just a little bit different to show you today. This is our Mercedes-Benz Atego built by Motorcraft Adventure Developments. So we are going to give you a very exciting walkthrough of this vehicle. It's the Mercedes-Benz Atego. It's 4x4 based on a 6.4 litre engine. You've got 260 brake horsepower and it's 850 foot-pounds of torque. Guys, this is the perfect spot for sunbathing up here. But while I'm up here, I'm going to talk you through the solar panels. So we've got 1,400 kilowatts worth of Victron solar panels up here. And we've also got our Webasto aircon for the habitation. You've also got your Webasto aircon fitted in the driving area as well. Now, this vehicle is 8.7 metres in length and it's 2.6 metres wide. It also comes in at 13 tonnes, so you've got heaps of payload. So covering more specification on the outside, we're finished off in the Raptor paint. So this is significantly more durable than the average paint that you would get. Now we've got heaps of storage along the side. We've got 3 lithium leisure batteries which are housed in there. You've got your generator in there as well. You've got your electric welcome step, which you definitely need to climb into this monster. Again, some more storage compartments in here. As you can see, there's heaps of external storage. You've even got an awning there with your surround lighting. And then just in here is your Victron Quattro inverter. So you're so well kitted for off-gridding. Alright, so at the back we have 2 additional huge lockers up here. That's your spare wheel carrier. Now that actually has been configured so that you can add 2 pedal bikes to that as well. And you've also got a reverse camera up there too. So making our way around to the other side, again, as you can see, there is huge capacity for storage there. Now we do have 2 hydraulic legs at the back, so that makes a huge difference for your stability, especially whenever parked up on those windy days. We've got our external shower point, which is built into here. And then you've got your Whisper power generator is just situated right there. So just into the driver's seat. Now, unfortunately, I don't have the license to drive this, but I'm going to talk you through some of the features up here. I'm sitting on our Isri seats. So these are your air seats and they are also heated. We've got our radio system up here as well as our reverse camera, which will definitely come in handy. And you've got your Webasto aircon built into the cab as well as the living quarters. There's also some storage back here and you can access into the driver's and the passengers area through the bathroom, through the little hatch. Let's go take a look at the inside, folks. This is our electric step, so that will retract up whenever you go to drive. But come on in. What a beautiful setup we have in here. It is a fairly unique layout on the inside as well. So we've actually got our double bed just behind your lounge here. and you've got plenty of storage inside as well, so all those cupboards there will open up. That's your Webasto aircon. Into our kitchen area, it is powered by electric, so we have our Smeg induction hob, and just below that is our electric microwave oven and grill. Guys, if the nearest Tesco is a 400-mile drive away, that is no worries, because you can definitely stock up with this fridge. So that's your fridge, and then you've got 2 separate compartments as well, and a freezer box. So just beside our fridge is the heating control panel. Now it is dual diesel and ran by Webasto 230 volt. We've got our LG 27-inch TV here as well, and that's actually on a swivel bracket, and you've got your Starlink performance added into this as well, so you can watch all your favourite shows off the beaten track. So we are into the bathroom, and what a modern finish it is in here. So if you want to come on ahead in, just to the left is our composting toilet. You've got your radiator along the side there, and you'll never guess what is just underneath the sink. You don't see this every day. This is our Sanusi 3 kilogram washing machine. If you're wondering about the water source, we've actually got a 470 litre fresh water tank and a 120 litre grey water tank, and you've got a full filtration system in here too. The hatch that I was actually talking about earlier whenever I was in the driver's seat is situated just in the bathroom. So if you open up this door, that is where you're sitting in the front. So folks, that's our Mercedes-Benz Atego by Motorcraft Adventure Developments. Full details of this vehicle can be seen online on our website, thompsonleisure.com. If you are interested in this vehicle or have any further questions, please give us a wee shout. You can get us on 028 92 69 3999, and if you press through to 1 to sales. Thank you. Bye bye.